Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the kit contents and matching lot numbers so reagents react predictably. Next, rinse and fill the supplied vial to the 5 ml mark using the Aquarium sample. This avoids dilution errors. Once that's done, note tank temperature and salinity because those conditions affect reaction rates. As you proceed, handle reagents gently and keep caps closed to preserve accuracy. Timing starts when you add the first drop, so be prepared to move steadily. Now add reagents in the exact sequence printed on the card. Order matters because chemical reactions build on previous steps. Use the kit dropper and count drops carefully. Once you add the first drop, start your timer to maintain consistent incubation times. If the test requires mixing, invert the vial slowly rather than shaking hard to prevent foaming that alters color. When time is up, compare the resulting color to the chart under consistent indoor light so readings remain comparable. Finish by reading the color result and recording the numeric value plus date to build a trend. Trends tell you more than one isolated reading. If the color falls between swatches or looks off, repeat the test immediately with a fresh vial and fresh reagent drops to rule out contamination or timing errors. One key troubleshooting tip: always check reagent storage and expiration. Warm or expired reagents are the most common cause of inconsistent or invalid results, so replace them when in doubt.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.